Hello, my name is Lena, and I'm the assessment coordinator for the Inglewood Unified School District, which is a small district in Southern California. This video is about communicating about training for CAASPP. In our school district, we use a trainer-of-trainer model, and our site test coordinators serve as our lead trainer for teachers and administrators at the sites. When our assessment calendar is released, the district test coordinator provides training to the site test coordinators first. Out of bank time staff development in September, the site test coordinators do a presentation that accomplishes two things. First, it allows the test coordinators to be specific about which CAASPP interim assessments are being mandated by the district this year, as well as when those are to be administered. The teachers can ask questions and plan their instruction accordingly. Second, it allows the test coordinators to introduce some important CAASPP concerns. This includes accessibility for our special education students, newcomers, and English learners. At this time of year, we request hard copies of the statewide assessments page from the students' IEPs in SACE. We also utilize a supports checklist that lists the resources from the accessibility graphics that we ask teachers to fill out for newcomers, English learners, or any other student who doesn't have an IEP or a 504 plan that would benefit from these supports. Our teachers are trained on what is available for different student populations and how decisions should be made about what is best for these students' needs. Our first IAB is usually in October. Having the statewide assessments page and supports checklists early allows the test coordinators to ensure that the teachers know what the accessibility resources are, who qualifies for them, and that we have the documentation that authorizes the test coordinators to input them into TOMS. Having the students test with them early allows them to practice with the accessibility resources throughout the year and determine if the resources are appropriate for them before using them on a high-stakes summative assessment at the end of the year. It also helps the teachers to be clear about how to provide those resources. Each time an interim assessment window opens, a memo for each assessment cycle is developed and emailed to all teachers. This memo serves as a reminder about when to do the assessments. It also provides guiding documents on how to administer and hand score the assessments, as well as how to find the results in SERVs. In October, before the first IAB is scheduled, the test coordinators do a follow-up training during staff development. In this meeting, the test coordinators ensure that the teachers have signed their TOMS affidavits, review their responsibilities of their roles, and review with teachers and principals all of the resources that are in the assessment memo. These would include both PDFs and videos on how to administer an IAB, provide any accessibility resources for students, hand score any and all hand score items, retrieve scores from SERVs, and how to use the resources from Tools for Teachers to provide intervention based on the data. At this time, they also have all other staff members sign the non-TOMS users affidavit. We scan these and store them digitally for our records. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this information timely and useful.